Autonomo.
Thanks, Bill. Let me know when I should kick off.
Whenever you're ready. Go.
I'm James, CEO of Autonomo. We automate physical retail stores for a lack of retail staff. The impact of our technology will double the retailer's profits and double the shopper satisfaction. That's one of our stores in Frankfurt, Germany. It's the biggest problem that exists in retail. It's a very high volume, low margin business, and labor takes up a big slice of that, where there is a lack of reliable staff. Our technology allows these retailers to profitably grow, turning low margin, almost unprofitable stores into higher margin stores, and creates this blue ocean of hyper-local retail stores in residential areas to flourish and be profitable. Our technology is an AI that captures all the information that happens in store. The first product is this no checkout autonomous store, and the second, we provide a retail operating system that allows them to capture real-time inventory, optimize the operations in store, and create clips and videos for the consumer goods companies of how their shoppers and non-shoppers behave at point of purchase. The experience is very simple. A shopper taps their card or iPhone to get into the store, they grab the product and walk out. We charge the card. We put a network of cameras inside the store that anonymously track the shopper and match them to the product that they pick up. We serve 15,000 shoppers monthly, and we're growing 20% month on month. These shops may look boring, convenience stores to you, but to me, this is a $6 trillion global opportunity, and we're focused on $300 billion segment. We're on track for 1.2 million this year. We work with the biggest retailer in Germany and in Switzerland, amongst others. We've just signed a 7 million contract. The first part of it is the hardware, and we make 20% margin. The second part is the MRR, and we make 70% margin, and the lion's share. Every transaction, our AI gets better, and every month, we're getting 15% savings. Critical. Shoppers love an experience from an Autonomo-powered store, twice as much as the regular supermarket that you shop in. Even more powerful, the retailers are able to double their profits. We grow sales, we grow the top line, longer opening hours, removing queues. We're able to shave out some of the costs and double that profit, which is incredibly popular. We compete with Amazon. We sell to similar customers. Amazon customers are also retailers, and retailers almost unanimously hate Amazon. It allows us to take the rest. They are growing fast. They are growing particularly in stadiums, but we're able to, and we've never lost a pitch to those guys so far. There's another Silicon Valley-based company called iFi, also growing very fast, but they don't have many feet on the ground in Europe where we dominate. I founded the company with the former CEO of Germany's fourth largest supermarket. On our cap table, we have angels and institutional investors, including Aldi, Carrefour, Apple, Adea, some of the biggest investors. And on our advisory board, we have people who truly understand the technology of automation from Waymo. We exist to simplify shopping for both customers and retailers, and we're coming to the US very shortly. I welcome your questions.